In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve Payoneer address verification. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to upload, and how to avoid common mistakes that can delay approval. First, head to the official Payoneer website and sign into your account using your usual credentials. Make sure you're on the legitimate site before entering any information. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the drop-down, choose Settings. This is your control center for managing account details and compliance requirements. Inside Settings, open the Verification Center. This is where Payoneer organizes all verification requests tied to your account, including identity, business details, and for today's focus, your address. Now, locate the address requirement. It may appear as proof of residence or verify your address. Click Submit to open that request. This simply opens the task. You'll send your document a bit later. Before you upload anything, prepare a suitable document that clearly shows your full name and exact residential address, and make sure it matches what's on your Payoneer profile. Accepted documents include a bank statement, a utility bill such as electricity, water, or internet, or an official tax document. To be accepted, your document needs to be issued within the last 6 months, display your complete name and address, and be an official, valid document. A few tips: avoid screenshots, make sure the date is visible, and ensure the address lines match your Payoneer account exactly, including apartment or unit numbers and correct spelling. When your document is ready, return to the address request and upload the file. Choose a clear, high-quality scan or photo, capture the full page without cropping, and check that every detail is easily readable: names, address, date, and issuer. If you're photographing a paper document, lay it flat, use good lighting, and avoid glare or shadows. If it's multiple pages, include the page that shows both your name and full address. After confirming everything looks correct, click Submit. Your document is now sent to Payoneer for review. Next, wait for approval. Processing times can vary. If your document meets the requirements, your address will be verified. If something doesn't match or isn't clear, Payoneer may request a new document, so keep an eye on your email and account notifications. Quick recap: login, profile, settings, verification center, address verification, upload document, submit. That's it. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more clear, practical Payoneer tutorials.